Good morning everybody, this is Ted from The Devil's in the Detail. This is my first job since I've come back. I've done a couple of car washes and valets, but this is a return customer. We detailed this car in 2021 and it's back for I suppose a good going over again. It's managed to get a few scratches in the paint here and there. The car is stored outside with a car cover on it, but considering there's not a lot of damage on it, so obviously it had a 3-year coating on it, so that's coming to the end of its life, and so that's going to be redone as well. I'm going to start with the interior. We're going to detail the interior, recoat all the leather, you know, and do all the normal stuff. Probably not going to delve straight into filming it. Not really prepared for the filming like I would normally be. But it's a lovely car. He cherishes it, he loves it. You might remember it because it's got the Vossen wheels, it's lowered to death. Got a really loud exhaust system, I know that, but we had the bumper painted at the time because it was peppered and the paint sunk on that a bit, so I'm going to get that back up to how it should be. And so really I'll film some of the polishing side of it. I'm not going to bother with the interior. You've seen me do it a million times. But generally the car is in very good order. You know, he does look after it, so it shouldn't be too bad to do. Plus, it had G-Technic leather guard on it. One thing I've got to do is get the window tints redone. I've had to take this one off. I've just finished getting the glue off, to be honest. But there we have it. I'm looking forward to getting the polisher out again. It's been like 18 months since I last held the polisher, so really looking forward to that. And I'll keep you informed as we go along, so I'll see you on the next one. I thought I'd just show you the amount of contaminants that are on the glass. I've just put window cleaner on here, and you can see it shows up all the defects. I've polished this side, and if I spray you can clearly see the difference with that wet compared to that wet, the amount of contaminants that are in the glass. So I'm going to polish this side now. I know the glass is squeaky clean and that'll be ready for the coatings. The car's still got to be washed and prepped before we polish it, but I'm just doing the higher parts of the car, because once it goes in the light room it will go up in the air a bit, so it's easier to do this now. I just thought I'd show you, you know, the contaminants. So I'm just giving it a polish with a little 3-inch mop. Just using some, you know, medium compound, and it gets rid of it quite easily. Normally, if there were scratches, I'd use a rayon pad, but the screen's in good condition. So probably because there's no rear wiper on it. But I'm going to get on and polish this side now, get it squeaky clean, and then I'll go around the rest of the glass and get that done before we do anything else. So see you soon. We've got a few marks to get out on the leather and clean all this piano black, and some spots of something on there. Also behind the seat. This is on the passenger side. A few marks. To remove. And if I go around the driver's side, you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, there's quite a bit of dirt that needs to be lifted. And again, the piano black, and obviously the driver's seat. Well, it's been nice to be back on the polisher, but it has worn me out. But this is almost finished. All the polishing's done. Just ceramic coats to go on now. But it's come up lovely. I'm sure the owner's going to be very pleased. So if you want your car looking like this, you know where to find me. Well, here's the XKR now completed and ready for collection. It's had a good two-stage polish, full interior detail, retinted the driver's window, and these have been painted, these vents, they were shabby. So it's had G-Technic products on the interior and the exterior, and it should be good for another 3 or 4 years. So the owner will be here shortly to collect it. We had it MOT'd while it was there, and an oil service. So it's all ready to for the owner to go on holiday this weekend. So there we have it. All looking nice, crisp. I mean, the car is 19 years old, but certainly looks the part. Pleased with the job. This part of the front bumper had sunk. I don't know whether I showed it, but that's back how it should look. I'm sure he's going to be very pleased. Right, I'll see you on the next one.